is it, Oliver?
Are you excited for this year's Halloween?
Yeah, but hopefully Stella isn't gonna annoy us this year, like always.
Ha ha ha. If only Murphy knew what I was going to do to him. I'm going to scare him and Oliver with a creepy clown mask this Halloween. That'll teach them for being so annoying. And this is the clown mask I'll be using.
Okay, Murphy, time to get ready for the trick-or-treaters.
Okay, Oliver, I'll be right there.
If only you knew, Murphy. If only you knew.
Hey, Murphy, before we start, do you think we should go get Stella?
Nah, I think we're fine. Who cares what she's doing?
Yeah, who knows and who cares?
Well, you should care, Oliver, because my plan is starting now. Time to put on the mask. Hey, this feels really weird.
Hey, Murphy, did you hear something up there? Or was that just me?
No, I didn't. Did you?
Yeah, you're probably right. I'll just forget about it.
Okay, I definitely heard something over there.
Yeah, me too. Let's go see it. What even is this thing, Murphy?
It's some weird Halloween clown mask. I wonder why it's here.
You know what? I'm just gonna leave it alone. Ignore it.
Help me. I don't think they can hear me. I'm stuck in here.
Hey, Oliver, go handle that trick-or-treater.
Okay, then.
Trick or treat.
Oh, Ron, it's you? Why are you trick-or-treating this late?
Yeah, there's no need for someone your size.
Oh, shut up, Murphy. I just wanted to hang out with you guys.
Okay, come over here.
So what are you guys? Oh my god. What is that?
It's a creepy Halloween mask we found. We don't know where it came from.
I'm gonna take it to the other room and take a look at it.
Kinda weird, but okay, you do you.
Oh. This thing looks so weird.
What on earth was that? Okay, this house is definitely haunted.
Hey, and where's Ron? He's not here anymore.
I'm in here. Help me.
He was probably just bored and left. Who cares?
Ron, is that you?
Yes, it is Stella.
What are you doing in here?
I got trapped.
I did too. I don't know how to get out.
I think we're stuck. They can't hear us.
You know what? I'm just gonna take a look at this mask for myself. It seems kind of sketchy. Hey, Mr. Clown, do you have to say anything to me? No!
Oliver? Where'd you go?
Oh no, I'm stuck in here.
Hey, Oliver.
Hey, Oliver.
Oh, so this is where you guys are.
Yup, we're stuck.
Okay, enough is enough. I'm gonna go look at the mask.
Oh no, you aren't Murphy.
What in the...
It was me, Murphy. I stole your friends.
But you couldn't have.
Oh yes, I definitely could have.
Well then, I'm gonna have to kill you myself.
Okay then, you're lost.
What can a stupid clown mask do to me? Oh god, where am I?
You're stuck with us, Murphy.
Yeah, in this prison.
So this is where you guys were.
Yup.
Enough talk. Listen up. You guys are gonna die in here. So, do you guys have any final words?
Yeah, I do.
What is it, Pipsqueak?
You're about to blow up.
What? No, no! No, no!
Well, that was sure something.
Yeah, let's just try to forget about this. And also, happy belated Halloween.